You've probably heard this before. No gym, no gains. But what if that's completely wrong? What if the biggest fitness lie ever told is that you need expensive machines, fancy supplements, and a monthly membership just to build muscle? Because right now, somewhere in the world, a guy with no gym, no equipment, and barely any space is transforming his body using only gravity, consistency, and pain tolerance. And the crazy part? Science says muscle doesn't actually care where you train. It only cares about one thing: tension. So the real question is, can you build a muscular, aesthetic body without stepping foot in a gym? Or will you stay skinny forever doing push-ups in your bedroom? Let's find out. Most people think muscles grow because of gym machines. Wrong. Muscles grow because they're forced to adapt. When you challenge a muscle hard enough, tiny tears happen inside the muscle fibers. Your body repairs those fibers stronger and thicker than before. That process is called hypertrophy. And here's the important part. Your muscles don't know if you're lifting a $5,000 gym machine or doing push-ups on your dirty bedroom floor. To your body, resistance is resistance. That means push-ups can build chest, pull-ups can build back, squats can build legs, dips can build triceps, planks can strengthen core. The problem isn't the exercises, the problem is intensity. Most people stop when it starts hurting. That's why they never change. Here's something nobody talks about. The gym can actually become a distraction. People spend more time taking selfies, talking, checking phones, walking around than actually training. At home, there's nowhere to hide. It's just you versus the workout. And because home workouts are convenient, consistency becomes easier. You don't need transportation, gym fees, fancy clothes, perfect timing. You can train instantly. And consistency beats perfection every single time. A mediocre workout done every day destroys the perfect workout done once a week. That's how transformations happen. Not through motivation, through repetition. Now, before you think push-ups alone will turn you into a superhero, there's something important you need to understand. Building muscle without the gym is possible, but it gets harder as you become advanced. Why? Because muscles need progressive overload. That means the challenge must keep increasing over time. At first, 10 push-ups feels impossible. Later, 50 push-ups becomes easy, and once exercises become easy, muscle growth slows down. That's why smart calisthenics athletes increase difficulty by adding weight, slowing reps, using harder variations, increasing volume, training closer to failure. For example, regular push-ups become diamond push-ups, archer push-ups, decline push-ups, one-arm push-ups. Your body adapts only when forced. No challenge, no growth. Some of the strongest physiques on earth were built without machines. Look at gymnasts, fighters, prison workout athletes, military trainees. These people develop insane core strength, muscle endurance, athletic power, functional muscle. Why? Because bodyweight training forces multiple muscles to work together. A heavy bench press may build chest, but controlling your entire body during advanced push-ups, pull-ups, and dips builds coordination and muscle. That's why calisthenics physiques often look lean, sharp, and aesthetic, not just bulky. And honestly, most people don't even want to look like a bodybuilder. They want visible abs, broad shoulders, defined arms, athletic shape. And yes, you can absolutely build that without a gym. It's not lack of equipment, it's lack of patience. People quit because they expect Hollywood results in 2 weeks. But muscle growth is slow, painfully slow, especially naturally. Your first transformation won't happen in the mirror. It happens in your habits. You start eating better, sleeping better, standing taller, feeling stronger, becoming disciplined. Then one day, someone says, "Bro, have you been working out?" That's the moment everything changes. So, can you build muscle without the gym? Absolutely. But there's a truth nobody can escape. The gym doesn't build your body. You do. The weights don't matter if you quit after 5 days. And home workouts don't fail because they're ineffective. They fail because most people never push hard enough. At the end of the day, muscle is earned through consistency, intensity recovery, discipline, not location. So whether you train in a luxury gym or on the floor of your bedroom, body will respond to the work you put in. The only question left is, are you finally ready to start?